everyone! I am Noljane Mama Cabde, and for today ay gusto kong mag-share sa inyo ng something different, which is product na makakatulong sa atin para magkaroon ng glowing skin. So ang pagiging maganda at ang pagiging glowing ay hindi nangyayari overnight. So, kailangan natin ng mga different skincare para ma-achieve natin yung healthy at glowing na skin. So, this product is a You Glow Babe Self-Love Glow Kit. You know, girls, the first item inside this glow kit is a toner. So this toner is a rose water deep cleansing and brightening. It can help us to shrink our pores, gives hydration and nourishment, and of course, we can use this toner day and night. Another item in this glow kit is a face guard sun shield, which help us protect against the sun. And this is SPF 50 that can protect us against the skin discoloration and of course protect us against wrinkles. This is perfect for daily use. The next item in this glow kit is a serum. So this serum is a ready to glow brightening glass skin. So the benefits of this serum is it is highly effective and it will help us to achieve glass skin. This is good for sensitive skin because this is so mild and safe to use. Another one is a soap. This soap helps us to achieve light skin, and of course, this will help us reduce our acne marks and pimple marks. So this ingredient has highly effective that also help us against skin discoloration. Girls, what are you waiting for? Ready, set, glow!